Allahu Akbar. Okay, so since you guys had raised your hands, you will answer the questions, inshallah. See? Okay. Okay. Some of you can get some candy, please. So, yes, please, from the office. Because I will give Islam, mashallah. May Allah bless you, brother. So, we will talk about the Sahabi, Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Abbas. Who is his father? Al-Abbas. Yes, his father is the uncle of the Prophet, Al-Abbas ibn Abd al-Muttalib. So you keep one chocolate here for Dr. Rahim. Okay. Abdullah, I want you to repeat after me. Abdullah ibn Abbas. Because I believe that every Muslim should know that man. Every Muslim. You don't need to be an Imam to know his biography. It's amazing. Even when he was young, when he was a child, he was young, and you know, he wasn't too old during the time of Rasulullah. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. It's all for me. Allahu Akbar. See, Dr. Rahim, yes, MashaAllah. Okay, so I wanted just to tell you, Abdullah ibn Abbas, born 3 years before the Hijrah. He has many titles. Turjuman al-Quran, the one who can give interpretation for the Quran. Habrul Ummah, the most knowledgeable person in the Ummah. Al-Bahr, the ocean, because of his knowledge. He narrated a hadith. Do you know how many? Let's do this. Who knows how many hadith that he narrated? So he pushes his father. Do you know the answer? Because, okay, remember this number. 1,660 hadith. Abdullah ibn Abbas. So who can say the number again? No, it's easy because I said it. Okay. Okay, 1,660 hadith. He narrated those hadith. Remember, imagine if he didn't narrate those hadith, how can we know about Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Not only this, Rasulullah made a special dua for him. Who knows about this dua? One more time, there's a mistake. Yes, and one more. Allahu Akbar. One, MashaAllah. Two, Allahu Akbar. Where's the brother in the back? Yes. Three. So 3 things, or 2 things. Allahumma faqihhu fi ad-din wa 'allimhu at-ta'wil. Oh Allah grants him the deep knowledge of understanding that religion and give him the skills of giving interpretation, tafsir for the Quran. That's why, for me personally, when I read many opinions, then I go first to Abdullah ibn Abbas. Then that's the most authentic, opinion for me, because Rasulullah made the dua for him. He's so lucky. He's so lucky. And Allah loves him because Rasulullah made dua for him. And I'm using that expression. Do you think that Rasulullah can make dua for you? Okay. Let's make that as a question. Let's see that side, because that side still, mashallah, sleeping. Naveed. Okay, where's Naveed? Yes, Naveed, mashallah, is here. Okay, who else, mashallah? Who's in this side? Okay, we need, Brother Ahsan is here, mashallah. How can Rasulullah make dua for you? Yes, exactly. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. When you make salah wa salam for Rasulullah, MashaAllah, goalkeeper, you missed it, okay. Goalie, Allah. When you make salah wa salam for Rasulullah on the day of Jumu'ah, he said, whoever makes salah wa salam for me on the day of Jumu'ah, Allah will send my soul back so I can send salah wa salam upon him. So if you want Rasulullah to make dua for you, to ask Allah to forgive your sins, Rasulullah. So make lots of salah wa salam for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You know what? Some people, they don't make salah wa salam for Rasulullah. Don't be amongst them. So So whenever you hear the name of Rasulullah, say Sallallahu Alaihi. So let's try this one more time. When you hear the name of Rasulullah, say and say it loudly. Yes, some people are so shy in the masjid to say Sallallahu or to say Ameen even behind the Imam. You know, in the dua, the Imam is making dua. They are lazy even to say Ameen. Okay, do you love Rasulullah? So we should say MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Sisters in the back, do you say Salah wa Salam for Rasulullah? Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So Abdullah ibn Abbas, Rasulullah made dua for him. And he was the seeker of knowledge. You know, when he died at the age of 71. And Muhammad ibn al-Hanafiyyah, this is the brother of Hassan and Hussein from the side of Sayyidina Ali ibn Abi Talib. When he is the one who prayed janazah on him. When he prayed janazah, when he finished salah, he said, مَاتَ وَاللَّهِ خَيْرُ هَذِهِ الْأُمَّةِ. Today, the best one of this ummah remained had already died. Abdullah ibn Abbas. He was very knowledgeable. My quick message. Lots of people will tell you, I don't need to seek the Islamic knowledge. It's only for sheikhs, for the imams. And now, if I wanted any question, I will call Imam Ali, I will call Imam Jalal, Imam Hisham in the Medan. MashaAllah, they became now in handy. You know, even if they didn't respond, I have Imam Google. You know, I will Google anything, then I will get it. So there's no need to seek the Islamic knowledge. You know what? This is the worst idea ever. When you worship Allah based on knowledge, then worship will taste differently. When you recite, like, forgive me, brother, it will take 2 minutes. How many times you have recited Qul Huwallahu Ahad? Imam, this is the only surah I recite. Yes. This is the Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar Qul Huwallahu Ahad. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar Qul Huwallahu Ahad. MashaAllah. Okay. Qul Huwallahu Ahad. Allahu Samad. What is Samad? You see? What is Samad? How many times you have recited As-Samad? Allahu Samad means He is the self-sufficient. He doesn't need anyone. He doesn't need any person. He doesn't need your money. He doesn't need your salah. So when you recite قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ اللَّهُ الصَّمَدُ. Oh wow. Samad, He doesn't need me. He doesn't need my salah. I am the one in need of Allah. You see? This is when salah makes an impact. Now you taste salah different. So I wanted you to get the basics of the knowledge of Islam. Not only for yourself, but even for your children. When you get married, inshallah, when you have children, you need to give them deen. Otherwise they would be lost here. You know the challenges. May Allah guide us to this meaning. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. جزاكم الله خيرا. بارك الله لي ولكم في القرآن العظيم ونفعني وإياكم بما فيه من آياته والذكر الحكيم وصلى اللهم وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. I have two things before we go. For the sisters, please give some attention to the bathrooms, because it's a lot of mess after you guys leave. So if you can keep an eye on some of the children who, making mess in the bathroom too much, keep an eye on this, because we wanted to help Brother Khan. We do not want to put lots of pressure and load of work on him every day. The other thing, this area, lots of people are parking their cars under the trees and they're blocking the road from those who wanted to go outside. Please make this area free. Do not park under the trees in front of the gate of the masjid. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.